Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Native TCG. We are gonna open up some white flare. Comes with this 5 packs and a white flare binder. And we'll start off first pack magic. See if we can get anything. We're looking for the Victini. That red card, I believe, I can't remember. But Victini. Ooh! Middle card. And nothing. Let's see. Pack number 2. Alright. Pokeball. And we got a EX. Pack number 3. So get all these. I got this at Sam's Club for oh wow, another middle card for 42 something. Nothing. Whoop. Pack number 4. Hopefully we get something. Oh no, I bent that one on accident. Kitty. And we got a Reshiram! EX, not the right one. Here we go, last pack magic. And here we go. Hopefully we get something good. Pokeball. And that's it. Ooh, hey, that's cool. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and peace.